All right, today I'm taking a look at this keyboard that was sent to me for review. This is by ProtoArc. I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing here. Take a look. Oh man, it looks nice. It looks really nice. Wow. Feels so good. Let me get it hooked up. Included, you have a really generous, high quality charging cable and your key puller, which I'm not pulling any keys on a brand new keyboard, but if you did need to pull them, you could. All right, it's plugged in and it's beeping. There's also a little toggle switch there that you can toggle on or off. It's got a red LED on the space bar. Look at the instructions here, and it looks like you can change the mode by pressing these. So you've got wireless, Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2, and wired. So just like that, I pressed function and F1, and now, wow, I'm connected and I am typing on my computer. Let's just type something out here. Wow, feels really good. You've also got volume control keys here. You can skip tracks, you can play, you can zoom in, you've got brightness adjust. And there's your Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2, wireless. So I'm using it wired, but I will, once it's charged up, switch to wireless. Let's see if it has a little key. Yes, oh, look at that. It even has a little dongle back there. That's awesome. And I like the keyboard stands. Sometimes depending, I'm on a standing desk, sometimes depending on my angle, it can be more comfortable if it's flat. Like right now, the desk is a little bit lower, so I probably won't use those, but when it comes up higher, I will use the keyboard. And this thing is just beautiful. What a nice little keyboard, huh?